Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're going to unbox the phone Google Pixel 7 Pro in the snow color with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. We're also going to unbox the Google Pixel Watch. It comes with a USB to USB charging cable, USB to USB adapter, some paperwork as usual, and a SIM card removal tool which has a very interesting design in my opinion. There's a triple camera at the back, which includes a wide 50 megapixel lenses, 48 megapixels telephoto, and 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera. Here we can see the USB-C charging port, the SIM card tray, the mic, the power button, and the volume buttons. Now let's set up the phone. I'm not sure what happened here, but there's a lot of dust on the screen, so I'm very sorry about that. But I like the fact that it has Touch ID and it also has Face ID, so you have the option to set up whatever you prefer. Here is a quick camera test. I think the zoomed in pictures look really good. There are 4 options for the video stabilization. As you can see here, we can see some examples. Let's try and see how the cinematic pan looks like. I was a little bit shaky recording, but you can see that the stabilization did a pretty good job maintaining the video stable. Now let's play Genshin Impact, and I'm gonna go quiet so you guys can hear the audio, but I'll keep the comments.
Time to clean up.
Let's now unbox the Google Pixel Watch with the silver case and chalk active band. I really like how the watch looks like. I personally prefer the rounded watch face since it's similar to a classic or a traditional watch. It comes with a charging cable that can be connected via USB. The plug is not included though. It also includes an extra strap, which is a smaller size. The strap that came connected to the watch didn't fit me, so I had to change to the smaller one, as you can see. Now let's download the Google Pixel Watch app so we can connect it to the phone. The pair up process is pretty simple and straightforward in my opinion. What's the weather tomorrow? Remind me to water my plants every Monday. We can see here the main features of the watch as well as how to use it. I have been using the watch for some time. After I recorded the video, I found it very easy to use and I didn't have to change any settings to make it work for me. When it comes to the battery, it lasts about a day for me with always on display turned off. I usually charge while I'm working and this has been working well for me. There are a lot of options for the watch face and I found this purple futuristic one which looked quite cool. It's also possible to change the watch face and to download some from the app or from your phone, so then you can have access to more options. Now let's go back to the Pixel phone so we can try playing PUBG.
Next, pick up the firearm. Pick up the ammo. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Your enemies' supplies are inside the check the crate. Pick up the scope. Left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Nice work. Great work. Let's take a look at the
So that was it for this video. I really enjoy filming it. I actually have been using the Google Pixel Watch every day for some time and I really like it. I hope you like this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye!